We lie on our front and we do up dog, Sphinx, and Cobra. Okay, we've done this recently before, so we do it together. Okay, so lie on your belly. Okay, so we start with up dog. Put the front of the feet on the floor. So this is really important. Top of the feet, front of the feet on the floor. And you press them when you do all these 3 back bends. Okay, hands by the armpit. Maybe if you're in any doubt, take the slightly lower towards your waist. Tuck your elbows to your body. Okay, off we go. So push your feet. So push the top of the feet on the floor. So really activate your legs, strong legs. Press the feet. Then push the hands. Keep your abs, abdominal muscle tucked in. Then look to your third eye. Third eye is between your eyebrows. Okay, come down. Okay, we do Sphinx. So just prop yourself up with one arm and carefully place your elbows under the shoulders, forearms on the floor, okay, hands on the floor. Okay, so you're nearly there already. So push the front of the feet, press hard, strong legs. Squeeze your belly, push your breastbone forward, look to your third eye. Okay, come down. Okay, now Cobra. Your hands next to your cheeks. Tuck your elbows to your body. So push the front of the feet. Strong legs, strong feet. Tummy tucked in. Then push yourself like up dog, but you keep your pelvis on the floor. So you don't come up so high. This one. Look to your third eye. Shoulders back. And come down.